Hi, welcome back on Do It Yourself channel. I'm going to show you how to set up the auto optimization of your Samsung Galaxy M15. To enable this thing, go to settings and search for the application's name, device care. Scroll down and there is the auto optimization, and as you see, the device care automatically performs optimization to keep your phone running smoothly. This includes closed background apps and cleaning memory. So last memory cleaning was 10 hours ago. Anyway, you can enable it by starting when needed and restart on Shalude, so whatever things you want, the phone will be restart to refresh your phone. So whatever choice you need, your phone will be auto optimization, because when it's turning off and turning on, close all the app which can slow your phone. So that's it for now. I hope the video is helpful for you. If yes, you can leave like, leave comment and leave subscribe, and see you by next video. Hey!